Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to add pages on Shopify. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to myshopify.com. When you go over this in your browser, it's okay if you're using a laptop, PC, or Mac, and make sure you've logged into your account as well at My Shopify. Once you are here already, all you have to do is hover your mouse to the left side of the screen and you'll be clicking on Online Store. Once you will be Online Store, you will now click on Pages. It's one of the options in Online Store. Now wait for the website to finish loading. Once you are here, you will now see Filters considering your store. Over at the upper right, there is a button that says Add Page. Just tap on it. And then when you do so, you can now input a title for the new page for your Shopify store. And from here, you can now add pages. And you can also customize as much as you want over this page. After completing everything, all you have to make sure is that you save it. On the upper right, it's a green button that says Save. This one over here. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.